Honorable Senators, I think I have given enough time for members to make interventions on the point of clarification that Senator Sifuna was seeking. I think we'll proceed to rule on that or to give the clarification that has been sought by Senator Sifuna. Now, pursuant to Standing Order 60, because that is the standing order that talks or addresses on matters motion. Now, pursuant to that Standing Order 60, a senator first, before moving a motion, they must file a notice of motion. And before you move that notice of motion, the first thing you do is to take to the clerk a copy of the proposed motion. Thereafter, the clerk is going to submit that proposed motion to the Speaker. Now, the Speaker, using certain parameters as guided under Standing Order 63, there are certain parameters that the Speaker uses to guide himself in order either to admit that particular motion or to rule that particular motion inadmissible. When the proposed motion is admitted, then the mover of that notice is allowed to give notice. If the Speaker rules that it's inadmissible, then the matter ends there. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I have not seen the proposed motion that Senator Sifuna has submitted on. And therefore, having not seen this proposed motion, it cannot be a subject of discussion on the floor of the House today. Even assuming that the proposed motion has been submitted to the office of the Speaker, even then, because two things may happen when it's submitted to the office of the Speaker. It may be admissible, it may not be admissible. So what we are doing is we're anticipating debate, contrary to Standing Order 99 of our standing orders. I therefore rule that Senator Sifuna, indeed you're out of order because your argument breaches Standing Order 99 in that you're anticipating debate of a proposed motion. I will therefore allow the Cabinet Secretary to proceed to respond to the question as asked by Senator for Marsabit, Senator Mohamed Chute. Senator Mohamed Chute, proceed to ask. Senator Kajwang. Senator Kajwang. You're out of order. Proceed, Senator Chute.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Let me thank Honorable CS for appearing before this August House today. My questions are, A, could the Cabinet Secretary state the type and quantity of goods